Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at Loom. It is a free screen recorder for Mac, Windows, Chrome, and iOS. So let's just go here, go to loom.com and click get Loom for free. Then you're gonna have to sign in. You can sign in using any of these options. I'm just signing with my Google account. So just enter your, just click on agree. And then how am I planning to use? I'll use it for work, or for education. So you can use for a wide range of things. Teachers can use it, workplace, you can send it to your team, I guess. And then yeah, you can name your workspace here. I'm just gonna put my own name. That's gonna take a second to load. And then you can invite other people to your group. But I'm not gonna invite anyone, just write their emails. So right now. And for Chrome, you can, if you're gonna be using just Chrome or recording on just Chrome, then just install the extension. Just click on add to Chrome. It'll start downloading. There's over 5 million reviews or users. Yeah, 5 million users and almost 10,000 reviews. And then, alright, it was downloaded, so we can click on open Loom. And then you can see here, screen only, camera only. You can do like streaming or like record videos of your room or your face, or if you want to just screen show people what you're working on or what you're doing, you can do that. Right now it says no camera and microphone because I did not select camera, but I can probably add a camera, so I'll just go to settings. And then to use it, you just click record, choose what to share. It shows you a quick preview what it's gonna record. So just click share. So entire screen, so it shows like your whole window, or you can just stay on one tab if you don't want the video to show like other stuff when you switch tabs. You click on one of these. But right now I'm just gonna do entire screen. Yeah, it shows like everything, but if I do like Chrome tab, it's not gonna show me moving my windows and tabbing out. But right now I'm just gonna do entire screen and click share. Then we'll do allow. And then right now it is recording. We are recording our first video for Loom. And this is currently recording. That was my old camera, that's why it showed up. But as you can see here, it's been recording for 15 seconds. To stop it, just click on finish recording, or you can click or press Alt Shift L. I'm just gonna click it. And then brings you to Loom and your workspace and your recording. You can just title it whatever it is. You could also add a thumbnail, which you could also edit, which is really nice. I didn't know about that. And this is really good from what I'm seeing. I would definitely recommend because it has a lot of reviews and seems to be working quite well, and the layout and everything looks nice. It's easy to use, and that is how you download and use Loom. Thank you for watching. Also, one more thing, guys. You can look at on loom.com when you're signing. You could like look at your home, so you can see your friends here if you're in a group or working with a production team or something. And then you can go to my library for the videos you have recorded using Loom. And you could like look at it or look at screenshots. You can go to notifications, so if there's like comments and whatnot, you can see that. You can go to history. So if you watched any videos, get started. You go to settings, which is here. You could add a space or like another group or team down here by clicking the plus sign. And then you can share the link of your video that you recorded through here by clicking copy. You can get a view, you can invite someone, and that's it. That's how you use Loom. Alright.